The TSV 60. Why does it give you a perfect cut? Let's find out. Okay, the TSV 60 has two blades. But before we can see why the two blades come into play, let's make a cut, check the quality of cut, because I could turn off the scoring blade right here by this simple operation, and let's look at the cut with the main blade. So that cut we just made was with our track with that splinter guard and the main blade only. Let's look at the quality of cut. Now, every single one of our track saws will make this cut because this splinter guard is holding that melamine coat from chipping. But when we do a closer examination of this, and the way I like to do it is hold up a piece of edge banding, you can see these small little microchips. So that cut is great, but when great is not good enough and you need perfection, that's why the TSV 60 with the dual blades, one scoring and one main blade, is a home run. Let's look at the cut. So what I'm going to do first is re-engage the scoring blade. Now let's look at the rotation of the blades. The main blade is spinning this way, where this blade is spinning this way. So it's actually scoring the top of that sheet good, so you have 0.0 chip out. Let's look at the cut. So on closer inspection, you see how it's just slightly cutting that scoring blade. It's scoring the top coat. And then the main follows it slightly behind it to give you that spectacular perfect cut. So let's come on in and look at the quality of this cut. So let's look at perfection. Look at that. And on closer inspection with that edge banding, there are 0.0 microchips. An absolutely perfectly chip-free cut. The cut you just saw is the why the TSV 60 gives you that perfect cut.